Hi. Today, guys, we're going to make slime. First thing you need is something to stir it in. Some glue. No, I just snuck out of the house while I don't like me. It's something to stir, but I got a Q-tip and a hairpin, but I'm going to use a Q-tip for now. The first thing you will need to do is put the glue inside your thing. I'm gonna put that mug, put that tan and use that glue, and I'll be all that. Screw it through. Not much though. Okay. Let's add a little laundry detergent. A little laundry detergent. I might add a lot. Okay, that's it. But yeah, a little laundry detergent and you stir. It's coming out pretty good, guys. It really is. I know what's the problem. I need to pour it all around. And that's it. You just stir. It's coming up all together. Oh my God! I found my secret video. Well, guys, here you have it. You have your slime. You gotta keep stirring it because this stuff is messy. But yeah, there you have it. Your slime is coming all together. I'm gonna be so surprised. Oh yeah, there you have it. Is your slime. So what you need to do is like keep playing with it until it comes unstickable. But yeah, here you have it. It's your slime. Here you have it. Here's where I knew this stuff was gonna actually work. I just got done watching a thing about Downy, and I was actually using the wrong detergent, and I found the right detergent. And now here you have it, guys. Your dang slime. I really think I added too much stir. That's why I act like this. But yeah, I gotta get used to it, cause like I'm like not used to making slime. But yeah, guys, this is how you have it. Yeah, you have it. It's just slime. I'm trying to get all this stuff back on my fingers. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here on my hand. It's going to get sticky, but I'm gonna have to get used to it. Cause it's gonna be sticky. Just literally made slime. It's like my first time. I did not know this was gonna work, but guess what, guys? It worked. So I'm gonna put all this stuff in a ball. So you can stop sticking to me. Yep, I'm gonna put all the stuff in the ball. I'm gonna roll it. Well, yeah, there you have it. Here's your slime. So, yeah. Goodbye, guys.